Hey and welcome to AlphaOne. We are now going to trade some binary option. I come directly from a live session where I trade live every single day for binary option for 1 hour. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can follow my live stream, and make sure that you turn on the bell notification so you don't lose any live stream, because we basically print money in every single one and it's very simple to follow what I'm doing. Okay. Also, if you want me to trade live on this broker, because it's on another broker trading live, if you want me to trade live on this one, make sure you make a comment about that and I will think about it. So I basically do 2 live streams a day. Okay. Now I'll show you how you can trade on Pocket Option. But before I do that, I have one more thing I need to say. If you have accounts from before, make sure you close down that account and reopen with my link, and I will explain to you why you should do that. Because I give you 60% of my affiliate income. That means when you're trading, every time you're trading, you get a cashback. So you get money back every time you trade, not for losing trade, not for winning trade, but for every single trade you do, you get cash back. So you basically get 60% of what I would have earned as affiliate when you are trading. So I call it super account. Okay. Also, if you deposit over $100, you get 50% extra on your first time deposit. So that's something also. And if you don't have account from before, yes, then just open and just use my link and you're good to go. Okay. Now let's get to some trading, and I'll show you how I trade on this broker, because I do things stupid simple. So then let's take a look. Now I see before was a nice one up here. Now basically we see that when we come up to this area here, you see here we go down, here we go down, here we go down, here. So we see clearly that this red line here is a beautiful place to trade. We are in 1 minute chart, we have 1 minute closed, we have $100 trade, and if you come up to the red line, we go down. It's that simple. So also if you take a look at the bottom, basically what I'm looking at, I don't need it to be perfect on the Pocket Option. When I see a line, I see where we have a high probability that when you come down to this line, you see we come down here, we go up, here we go up, up, up. Here he broke it, so here we would have lost. Here we would have lost, but you have won, we would have won, we would have won. So when I see I have more winners than losers, then I find the line perfectly. It's like here we would have won, here we would have lost, here we would have lost, but then we would have won, 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 won. And if you did able to push out, I would not have traded on this one, but if you did, you would have won. So we see that it's a high probability of winning on this line. That's why we are trading on it. And you see, if you win, you make $92 out of 100. And if you lose, of course, you lose the whole 100. So when you trade these type of lines, overall, it's not written in stone that I will win this trade now, but overall, I will win much more trades than I lose. So, and it's stupid simple to do. We don't use any indicators that need to have a cross, so you need to go above a specific area or whatever. There's lagging indicators we don't use. And I'm in there now. Now you see I did take a perfect entry on the line, and we see from the past that when he typically come up to this line, we know that is a high probability that he will go down. You see he came exactly up to the line and he started to go down, do you see? So it's basically stupid simple. Just take lines on support and resistance and you will have much more winners than losers. Don't be using these indicators, MACD indicators, RSI indicators, Bollinger Band and all this garbage. Stay away from indicators. If you really want to make money with binary option, make sure you learn how to put up these lines. It's stupid simple, and make sure you follow me, because I trade live every single day, and you will very easily start to see this and you can start to make money. Because if you want to make money with binary option, this is the way to trade. So there, now just like this, there, $92. That simple. Okay, so I hope I see you, and if you want a super account, make sure you take advantage with the link you find below the video and make some money together with me. Have an amazing day.